How to upload high quality photos and videos on Facebook Story. Since Facebook still doesn't have an option in which you may be able to change the upload quality of your photos and videos to your story, then what I would suggest is to open your settings app and scroll down to the button and then look for camera. So as you can see, there is a camera option. Go to record video right here and then make sure to choose the last option as you can see right here. So I have the 4K at 60 FPS. So this is the highest quality video that I have on my current phone. So make sure to choose that one. So whenever you open your camera and then record a video, then that video will be on the highest quality or the HD quality. So whenever you post it on your Facebook story, such as your photos or videos, you upload it on your story, and then I can guarantee you that the quality will be improved. So that's it. That's how you can upload high quality photos and videos on Facebook Story.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.